Hello guys, today's my topic is plastic. Our planet is choking on plastic. It is time to change how we produce, consume, and dispose of the plastic we use. Introduction. While plastic has many valuable uses, we have become addicted to single use plastic products with severe environmental consequences. Around the world, 1 million plastic bottles are purchased every minute, while up to 5 trillion plastic bags are used worldwide every year. In total, half of all plastic produced is designed for single use purposes, used just once and then throw away. Plastics and microplastics are now ubiquitous and in our natural environment. They are becoming part of the Earth's fossil record and a marker of the Anthropocene, our current geological era. They have even given their name to a new marine microbial habit called the plastisphere. So, how did we get here? From the 1950s to the 1970s, only a small amount of plastic was produced, and as a result, plastic waste was relatively manageable. However, between the 1970s and the 1990s, plastic waste generation more than tripled, reflecting a similar rise in plastic production. In the early 20s, the amount of plastic waste we generated rose more in a single decade than it had in the previous 40 years. Today, we produce about 300 million tons of plastic waste every year. That's near equivalent to the weight of the entire human population. We have seen other worrying trends since the 1950s. The rate of plastic production has grown faster than that of any other material. We have also seen a worrying shift toward single-use plastic products. Between 1950s and 2017, approximately 7,000 million of estimated 9,200 million tons of plastic produced become plastic waste. Three-quarters of which was either discarded and placed in landfills, become part of uncontrolled and mismanaged waste streams, or was dumped or abandoned in the environment, including at sea. With global production of primary plastic forecast to reach 32 billion tons by 2050, we now face two urgent issues: how to reduce the volume of uncontrolled or mismanaged waste streams going into the ocean, how to increase the level of recycling. What the government can do to prevent this? Governments are key actors in the plastic value chain as they set rules of the game for everyone else. As such, there are several things that government can do, all which are important and need to be applied in an integrated way to ensure we achieve the necessary systematic change. Firstly, they can eliminate the plastic products we do not need and which are deemed problematic. To, for example, ban coupled with promotion of sustainable alternatives such as reusable alternatives that can replace single-use plastic products. Governments can also promote innovation, so the plastic we need are designed and brought into the economy in a way that allows for their circulation. This includes the enabling of reuse systems as the norm rather than exception. In some countries, reuse schemes are embedded because empty containers are considered waste and therefore need specific handling. We have seen a lot of positive action, but the truth is that we all need to do more and turn off the tap on plastic pollution at the source. There are many things that you as an individual can do, from asking the restaurant you visit to stop using plastic straws to bringing your own coffee mug to work, to pressuring your local authorities to improve how they manage your city waste. Take the Clean Seas pledge and adopt new habits to limit your plastic. Clean a beach. If you live near a coastline, join beach cleanups in your area, or take your family along on a beach walk and start your own cleanup. Clean a river. 80% of your marine litter originated from land, and rivers drain plastic waste into the oceans. Join a river cleanup or do your own. The river will look nicer and benefit its ecosystem and the ocean. Conclusion. Ending plastic pollution is about avoiding plastic in the first place, and if unable to, reusing or recycling the material as opposed to tossing it into the garbage, toward the landfill or onto the ground, embarking it upon a journey to the sea. The world produces 300 billion pounds of plastic each year. Thank you for listening.